Hi, and I'm Sean from the food review channel that we're currently on right now at this moment in time. And today we're going to be reviewing mashed potatoes and chicken circles. But they're not circles, you see, they're spheres. This is going to be much like our first episode because we also did chicken and mashed potatoes, but this one is chicken in the shape of a sphere. Mashed potatoes. Much like the first episode. We already got that fucking. Much like the first episode, I do enjoy dipping them in the mashed potatoes.
I have the same sweater on.
What am I supposed to do?
Speak louder.
Oh, get closer.
Give us that look one more time.
Lunchtime.
That's some good ass shit. Christian?
Going wrong. There's not enough gravy. It's just too dry. The chicken nuggets are dry without the gravy.
I think the chicken nuggets by themselves is fuck off.
Going wrong in the title, buddy.
Hi.
Guest star Adam Rowan.
Leave.
Yeah, I actually am.
This is the only place.
So the chicken by itself, I can't.
Oh, you don't
complain.
have signal.
It's good chicken,
Like 2 bars.
and like always,
Fuck off.
the mashed potatoes, it's good.
Aren't you a mashed potato type of guy?
I'm a big mashed potato guy, and I'm a big chicken guy. I like the chicken. I like the chicken spears. Dang it! That. I fuck off. All right, Rick. That was a casualty of war. It's just collateral damage, you know. Can't do anything about it. That was a heck of a ricochet, though. You gotta say. It went unexpected, very unfortunate. But
All water-based.
the chicken. I gotta say, the chicken spheres and the mashed potatoes, very good. Chicken. All right, the chicken I give it a chicken. Probably get a 7.6. Mashed potatoes 8. Overall, I'd say it's a high 7, like a 7.9 or something like that. I think it's a very good meal. I would recommend it. Yes.
Bottle flip wizard.
Oh, not the cheese.
That's an old gag.
That's an old gag. Old meme. It's dead. Ah!
What are you picturing?
Alright, are we done?
Fuck, Richard.
The wheat bread.
One of you folks better pick it up so I can put it down there.
The damn bread you want it.
That's you, buddy.
Whoever put it down there better fucking pick it up.
You sound like a dad.
Yeah.
Pick up your stuff, boy.
Try and hide it.
Already had gone.